Hello guys, today we are going to see how to learn a programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, etc. in Android, iOS and PC. In Android, first of all, install an app called Solo Learn. It's a very lightweight app which is just 4 MB. The specialty of this app is we can learn programming languages and you can run any programming languages which is available in internet, or you can run your own programming codes. Let's open this app. Now I have signed in my TechyJeevs account in this Solo Learn app. In this app you can learn a new lesson, find lessons and bookmark lessons. The lessons which can be learned from this app are C++, HTML, Java, Python, JavaScript, SQL, C, PHP, CSS, Swift, Ruby, JQuery, and many options are available in this app such as data structures, algorithms, binary trees, and machine learnings. Many of them is there, and it's very useful app for programming languages and developers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe TechyJeevs. Thank you.